Welcome to Class 6 Maths, Chapter 2, Whole Numbers. What is a pattern? A pattern is an ordered set of numbers, shapes, or other math objects arranged according to a rule. Means some objects or number are arranged, but every pattern having different rules. So let us understand more about pattern with some examples. Patterns in whole numbers. Now students, here what is used? Dot is used. So students, here you can see by using dots, which shape is made? Triangle. So how many dots are there in first pattern? 3 dots are there. Now for next pattern, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 dots are there. Similarly, for the third pattern, how many dots are there? 10 dots are there and the shape is same triangle. Now students, let us understand how these patterns are made. Students, you can see that the first pattern is made by using 3 dots and the shape is triangle. Now this shape will continue in the next step and the 3 more dots are added above that. Similarly, for the 10 dots, these 6 dots of the earlier patterns will remain same and 4 more dots are added. So this way this pattern is made. Now there is another figure, that is square. By using dots, square is made. So let us understand this. Here students, you can see 1 dot, 4 dot, 9 dots and 16 dots are used. So by using this dot, square shape is made. What are this number? 1, 4, 9, 16. These are known as square numbers. You can see that 1 square equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4, 3 square equals to 9, 4 square equals to 16. And squares are formed by using dots. Number patterns using dots. So let us understand more about number patterns. First number is the 2. So by using 2, students, what shape we can make? Line. By using 2 dots, we can make line shape. So here by using 2 dots, line shape is made. Now next number is 3. 3 means we have to use 3 dots. So by using 3 dots, which shape we can make, students? Triangle. Because triangle is shapes with a 3 sides, 3 angles, so we can make triangle. 4. Now by using 4 dots, we can make square. 6. So by using 6 dots, which shape we can make, students? We can make rectangle. Let us understand more about the number patterns. Number patterns using dots. So students, these are the many triangles drawn with the triangular numbers. Let us understand how these number patterns are found. First figure is 1 dot. So students, here 1 dot is there. Second figure is 3 dots. So that is 1 plus 2, 3 dots. First figure is 1 dot. Second figure is made triangle by using 3 dots. Third figure is triangle only by using 6 dots. Now let us understand what is the number pattern over here. Students, first figure is 1 plus 0. Second, it is 1 plus 2, 3. Third pattern, 1 plus 2 plus 3, means by every number, one number is increased. That is, here we will do 2 plus 1, so 3. So then fourth pattern, you can see it is 10. How 10? This 1 plus 2 plus 3 of the earlier pattern and plus 3 plus 1 we will do, then it is 4. So this way, by each pattern, one number is increased. So this is a 10 dots. How the triangle is formed using 10 dots? We will take first of all 6 dots of the earlier pattern triangle here, and then 4 more dots are added above that. Similarly for 15, here you can see students that here for 15 it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 15 dots are made, and this is the triangle of 10 dots of earlier and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 more dots are added above that. Now 21. How 21 dots are formed? That is, we will add 1 in 5 plus 1, that is 6. So of the earlier pattern, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 is 6. So if we add this number, we get 21. Now how to draw design? How to draw these triangle patterns? What is the rule? So first of all, earlier patterns 15 dots we will draw. So these are the 15 dots that we have drawn. Then what is the last number? 6. So 6 dots we will add above that last. So 6 dots we will add above this. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly for 28 dots. So 28 dots, how it is formed? By adding 6 plus 1 in the earlier, so that is 7. So here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So total of these numbers are 28. Now how this design is formed? We will follow the same rule that the 21 dots of the earlier patterns are this, and we will add how many dots above that? 7. Why? Because last number is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And that means total 28 dots is there. Similarly for 36. Now 36 means first of all for this we are having 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. That is total 36 dots. How it is formed? Of the earlier figure, total 28 dots, and then above that we will draw 8 dots. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now 45 dots. How this 45 is formed? Here in this 45 we will add 1 in 8, so it is total 8 plus 1 9. So here we will do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, and then this is total is 45. So how is the pattern drawn? We will take 36 dots of the earlier design, and then above that we will add 9 dots. So these are the rules for this figure. It is triangular numbers. Now let us understand with one more figure. Students, here in this figure you can observe that there is a 1 square added. So here you can see this is 1 square. Next pattern is 2. But how it is added? This 1 square of the earlier pattern, and above that there is 1 square is added. Now next pattern is total 3 square, but here as it is written plus 1 means what? These 2 squares of the earlier pattern and plus 1 we will do above, plus 1 square we will draw in the above of the 2 squares. So total is 3 squares. Now here also as it is written plus 1 means what? These 3 squares of the earlier pattern, and we will add plus 1 square of above that 3. Now this here this many 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. So 4 square of the earlier pattern, and above that 1 more square we will draw. And so here it is written plus 1 means what, students? Means that in every pattern 1 square is added above that. This is also known as linear sequence. Why it is known as linear sequence? Because this number plus 1 is same, means adding 1 square is same for entire pattern. So it is known as linear sequence. Now let us understand with some solutions. Here which pattern is there? Here using circles patterns are drawn, but the rules of drawing patterns is different. So let us understand this. Pattern 1. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3. Now students, for pattern 2, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But how these 5 circles are formed? By which rule? So here students you can observe. First of all, these 3 circles of the earlier pattern is same in pattern 2. These 1, 2 and 3. 2 more circles are added below that. So here 1 and 2 circle. So 3 is there and plus 2 is added in the pattern 2. Now in pattern 3 there are how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 circles are there. But what is the rule? These 5 circles of the earlier pattern are still here and below that 2 more circles are added. So that is pattern 3. Now for pattern 4 also, how many would be the total circles? 9. How I came to know? Because every pattern we are doing at plus 2 plus 2. But how these 9 circles are formed? 7 circles of the earlier pattern and below that 2 more circles are added. So this is the total 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the rule for these situations to draw the pattern. Here students, we can also find nth term. This may come in your later class. The number of circles in each pattern forms a linear sequence. Linear sequence means what? In every pattern we are adding 2, adding 2, adding 2 means it remains same. Number remains same by adding 2, adding 2. So it is known as linear sequence. So here the first pattern, how many circles are there? 3. So here we have written 3. For second pattern, how many circles are there? 5. So here we have written 5. For third pattern, how many circles are there? 7. So here we have written 7. And for fourth pattern, there are 9 circles. So here if we want to find nth term, we can first find general rule. That is 2n plus 1. So now using this nth term general rule, we can also find 58th term. How? In place of n, we can substitute 50. So that is 2 multiplied by 50 plus 1. That is 2 50s are 100 plus 1, 101. Hence 101 circles are there in 58th pattern. Now students, how this 2n plus 1 is formed? There is general formula to find general rule for the nth term. So this is the formula. Nth term of an arithmetic sequence is an equals to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. A1 means it is the first term, means we will write first term of the sequence. D is the common difference. Like in the earlier we were getting 2 as the common difference. And then we have to solve this. So this way we can find nth term of an arithmetic sequence and these can become in your later classes. Thank you.